man.
Bro, I sound so old. Crap.
Did you know if you tap the sprint button and then drag it up to where there is no button, you can just sprint forever?
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good.
Now you're being banned.
All right.
Michael, what have you done? Michael! Michael!
I locked the door. All right, see you, Raymond.
Wait for me! Wait for me! I'm stuck.
You're what? Oh, there you are.
Hurry, hurry, hurry now. Hurry now. You're just
Press
standing
the button.
there, menacing me.
Thank you. So, how you been doing?
Good. Even though I sound like a 20-year-old.
You actually sound like a 40-year-old man.
Dear God.
This game has just transformed you.
Okay, don't go left yet. Make 2 left when I tell you to, okay?
Alright.
So go in, then left. I didn't tell you to go in.
I've done it.
You done what?
I did what you told me to, Papa.
What? Did you get an item?
No, there's just more.
Mike, I found it. Did you go through the thing? What's over here?
I got the manager's office key.
Finally. Bro, electric chair.
Yeah. You should go into it. You should go in it. Alright, so we want to tell you something.
Yeah.
We're finally gonna beat the game. Alright, see ya.
Big red button. Big red button. Big red button levers. Big red button.
Let me in. I'm
Womp
in.
womp. Big red button.
I love Big Red Button. I
Door.
love Big Red Men too.
Michael, is there a key to this door?
No, there's nothing. I'm just gonna go die to the moose. It's the fastest way there.
I'm just gonna reset myself.
Why did that take us like so long? That took us too long. I'm just gonna look at you.
And now my voice sounds like I'm 20.
Nah, you sound like a 50-year-old man, bro.
3. Ah!
We need an edit of that scream too. What do you do? That's what she said.
Michael, 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 Michael. Ah!
So if you want us to like play part 1 of this game,
You should like definitely go back and watch the other parts.
no, I got disconnected. Ah! I just heard you die again.
Yeah.
I was just.
Well, I'm pretty sure we know what happens after this, right?
Oh,
Dear God, I
stuck in the
sound like
animation.
I'm 30.
I'm stuck in the animation.
It sounds like I'm 30. Michael, what has this game done to me?
I don't know, but I really need to like die.
Where's the key? Where's the key?
I just want you to know I saw you run into the room.
My throat is burning. Now I sound like I'm 40.
please. No, I don't want to be stuck in this cutscene. Ah!
Don't worry, guys. I'm fine. Though I now sound like I'm 40. Hi, little guy. I'm just gonna look around this room and get this key, and hopefully not do that. I'm ruining my voice just for some views. Not even money. I mean, at least I sound like this now. Right, we're ending the recording here. I'm done. I'm actually done with this. This is my big back friend, Michael. And,
Bro.
we're out.